So last week, we came up to this basic Pythagorean identities, right? Now from here onwards, we will be moving into a different set of identities, right? To start with, I'll show you the shape first of all. Sine A plus B. Now don't get mistaken. Now sine A plus B does not mean that this is equal to sine A plus sine B. It's not going to be, right? It's not like this, right? There's a nice proof behind this, right? In your tutorial, I have given the diagram as well, right? So what we think here is actually, we think of a triangle and define two angles A and B. If you notice, now sine of A plus B is totally different idea, right? So there should be some opposite side like this, A plus B, and this becomes the hypotenuse. Right, so based on that, I have given you a diagram in the tutorial, right? But I'll tell you, in our syllabus, we are not supposed to deal with the proof in this case because this is thoroughly basic geometry. But our target is trigonometry, right? So in trigonometry, we are moving to shapes, not the geometric shapes, but the identities. The shape of the identity matters, right? For an example, now after learning this Pythagorean identity, right, we were not talking about how it evolved after that, right? Initially, we wanted to learn how the proof is happening. Afterwards, we were trying to make some stories, right? With the stories, then we can tell, okay, now this is how we are going to connect, right? And the questions we got were identities. From the left to right, we have to prove. And when you are proving the things, we are not going to use the basis of it. Instead, we are using the shape of that, right? So I'll give you a nice way to think of this. So I have told you this sine is nice, cos is ugly, and tan is strange, right? So we'll use the same storyline here. So when you have sine A plus B, sine is nice, right? So sine starts with sine A, and since sine is nice, sine will give cosine a chance. So we'll get cos B. It is plus, it will be plus here as well. Then cosine will take A, sine will take B. Then I set up, right? Sharing and carrying. Sine takes A, cos takes B, plus num plus. Then cos takes A, sine takes B. Very simple. And if you have sine A minus B, so another simple setup, right? If it is sine A minus B, you can have sine takes A, so cos takes B as usual. And can you guess what is it? It will be minus. And then comes cos A sine B. Simple, right? But cos is ugly. So cos is going to ugly things. If you have cos A plus B, it's not going to be like sharing. Cos is selfish. You'll get cos A and cos keep B as well. Cos A, cos B. Cos is ugly. So if this is plus, it should have been plus here, right? But since cos is ugly, you get minus. Then comes, of course, sine A, sine B. So sine is given the second chance, not the first chance. Similarly, if it is cos A minus B, you get cos A, once again cos B. Now you can guess, right? It's going to be plus sine A, sine B. Simple setup, right? Now, you don't need to memorize them. Only thing is sine is nice, cos is ugly. Simple as that. Are we clear? Right. Now, first of all, get them down. The numbers will be 11, 12, 13 and 14. And just a small reminder, today we will be going up to 35th identity.
So why is it starting from 11?
First we'll get this down.
Sir? Sir?
Online people, you can see the board clearly, right? If you can see
Yes,
the
sir.
board clearly, can you raise your hands? Right.
Sir, I have a question.
Wait. Just get these four shapes down. Right. Now tan is strange, so it's going to be a little bit different. Now for tan A plus B, we'll start like this. Tan A plus tan B. Looks like super simple, right? I'm not sure whether it's feasible for this online people. Alright. But it will be divided by 1 minus tan A times tan B. You can see it's a strange equation, right? Not a simple setup, but not a complicated one, but not like the ones we had. So it's strange. Similarly, if you have tan A minus B, you will get tan A minus tan B over 1 minus 1 plus tan A tan B. So small shift of the signs. When this is plus here, this is minus. When this is minus here, this is plus. Right? So we have 6 identities altogether. Now these are called addition formula. Sometimes we even call addition and subtraction formula, but basically it's all based on addition. Right? So if you call them as 11, 12, 13, 14, this should be 15 and 16, right? Clear?
So,
We
10.
have 16 identities to start with. So let
Sir?
me get that board here, otherwise they won't be able to see. Right, let's start with one of the questions. Now in your tutorial, there's a new set of questions based on there's a bright area that maybe they can't see due to the light, I guess. Right. සමහරකට chat එකේ දාලා තියෙනවා මේ this is not that clear කියලා. So let me write the tan formulas as well on the green board. That's easy, right? So let me get these tan formulas here. So 15 and 16. Right, so before moving to questions, right now it's clear, right? So if you look at these cases, First one is about sin A plus B, right? Simple setup, nice. Sin takes A, cos takes B. Plus, then cos takes A, sin takes B. Simple, right? If it is sin A minus B, then basically it's the same shape, but only minus comes in. Cos A plus B, cos takes both A and B. And then if it is plus ugly, it's nice. It's not nice. It's ugly, totally ugly, because it says minus. Right? It says cos A plus B, so we are expecting something nice, but we have something ugly, right? And then comes sin A, sin B. Yeah, you can sit somewhere, no problem. That's the right? And then if it is cos A minus B, we expect it to be minus, but it is not. You have plus. Cos takes A and B both, then sin takes A and B both. Clear? But tan is a little bit strange. Starts like very simple, tan A plus tan B. But you have a division coming in. Sin is different. If it is plus, it's minus. 1 minus tan. Are we clear? Right. So first of all, we'll do initial, application before moving into identity. Right? Can I erase this? Other people should be okay, right? So let's think of something like this. Let's say I write sin A plus 2B. That is also addition, right? So you can help me. We should start with our sin A. Then it should be cos, but it's going to be 2B. If it is plus, this is also plus, right? Then you get cos A, but now sin takes 2B. So I'm like, for all these 6 cases, you are not doing anything new. You are doing the same thing again and again and again by putting different variables in, right? So now we look at the question. Can someone WhatsApp me the tute? My God, never tute.
Sir?
I'm like, if you have, you can just forward it, or else a group. So this is the proof I was talking about. You can see in page number 9, right? The proof based on geometry is also given. So let's start with the 31st, right? You have to start with something like this. Here you can work on it your own. You have tan 45 minus A. So you can use this strange identity. It will be tan 45 minus tan A over 1 plus tan 45 tan A. These are easy stuff, so we'll rush. Tan 45 is 1, right? Dismissal tan 45 is 1, right? Minus tan A over 1 plus tan 45 is, once again, 1 into tan A is tan A, right? So just a 2-step identity, right? Shall we do the first few? Like, let me give you a number. Okay, we'll do 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35 to start with. You don't have, you have mobile phone with you? Your friend? You have the tute with you? You don't have. Shall I WhatsApp it you? Mana paling ni hataran yang game mana ya? Just to get a sense of, how it is moving, just do them. The first 4. Fifth के ना बड़ा हितान दिए. Just continue, go from 31 to 35, right? When you are getting stuck, I will start working. Or 32 also. So tan 45 is 1.
Sir,
You can't even call them identities. In 2 steps you get the result, right? Now look at number 35. Anyone who has done 35 without any issue? 35. Try Kanban. 35. Understood, right? Alright. If you have a question, just ask straight away. Which one? That is 30. Okay. Developing. You have to first take 1 over tan 45 plus 8, then extra. I'll write it on the board and show you. Right?
Sir,
Yeah, I'll work out next one as well. 33. So we can start with cot 45 plus E. But we all know cot 45 is similar to 1 over tan 45 plus A. Are we clear? Because this is cot 45 plus A. So 1 over tan the whole thing. Remember? Cos halapin. The cot halapin. 1 over tan halapin. It's not like this. Now some people think that this is 1 over tan 45 plus 1 over tan. This is wrong. And this shape is wrong. Because what we expect is hot something is 1 over tan that thing. So it shouldn't be like this. This is wrong. So it should be 1 over tan 45 plus A. Are we clear? Now from here we can deal with that previous setup once again. I can write rather than writing 1 over, I can write this way, right? 1 divided by. Then comes tan 45 plus A. So that can be expanded. Tan 45 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan 45 times tan A. Are you clear? So further we can continue. This is 1 divided by tan 45 is 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan So if it is division with a ratio, it will interchange, right? 1 multiplied by denominator goes up, numerator comes down. So now we can write this is 1 divided by, so this is 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A. Now the game is over. In the final answer, see what are the terms you have. So it is based on hot. So what we can do is we can divide all the terms by what? Tan, right? So we can divide 1 by tan, so 1 over tan A minus tan A over tan A, and then this whole thing divided by I am dividing, okay, 1 over tan A minus, sorry, plus, right, tan A over tan A. So it's clearly visible this tan A guy gets cancelled, and here also same thing. But 1 over tan A,
Sir. Sir.
but 1 over tan A is hot. Then you have minus, and all get cancelled, you get only 1 over 1 over tan A is once again hot A. So minus becomes plus. Anyway, shall we do the rest? Bana prove करने नहीं करनी, right?
Sir. 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 Sir.
Okay. Yeah, correct. That's a good observation. Some people go around and they come. Continue.
Sir. Sir.
Right, there are a lot of messages in the group. Anyone wants to talk? Are you talking? Yeah, I can hear you now. Again,
Sir,
haven't I?
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay. So, sir, my question was: you said the identities you gave, like in the beginning of the class, was from 10, right? Sir, my question was that when you started giving out the identities in this class, you started from 10, right?
I think 11, right?
Yeah, 11. Sorry.
Start with number 11,
Yeah.
right?
So, but then we only had 9 before, right? The ones we
No,
derived
but
from the
we
Pythagoras
looked
theorem.
at number 1 as the basic. I mean, like,
So the a
sine
squared plus o squared equal h squared.
cosine, tan, and so on and so forth. That whole set we took as number 1.
Okay. So number 2 will be starting
We have
from.
started with number 11.
Okay, so number 2 and all will be starting from sine squared plus cos squared, those, right?
Yeah, you can. Yes.
Okay. So, and you gave us till 16, and then we are directly going from 31, right?
We are going from
31.
31. You have like the question.
So, no, from 16 we skip to 31, right?
Yes.
Okay. And another question is, I didn't understand 33.
33.
Yeah.
Okay, let me work out 33 once again before I move on to the next question, okay?
Okay.
Sir, what happened to the denominator of this question?
I think same question asked in a different manner. Okay, let me get you to the question, yeah? One second. Because I got this speaker system so that I can hear the students. The problem is when I hear them, that will be, what do you call, reverb එකක් එනවා. මේකයි මේකට ඇවිල්ලා ආයි අපිට ඇහෙනවා. ඒතර උන්ට දෙපාරක් ඇහෙනවා. But there's a solution. When they are talking, I have to mute myself. That is only option. But we'll wait until this is being set up on the proper places. නැත්නම් හරියට සද්ද ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. Surround senior දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. So we'll wait for the next week. අපි ආපහු මේ 33 තේරිච්ච නැති කට්ටියක් ඉන්නවා. So we'll do a small discussion on that. Then we'll move on. You said 33 or 35?
So from 33, I didn't understand. From 33 onwards. So I
33 නම් තේරෙන්නේ නැති නේද නෑනේ.
So I didn't understand
Maybe 35 I
the.
guess.
So no, 33.
Let me check.
So I didn't understand how you got from 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A, and then after that I didn't understand.
What is that? 35. Can you put it on the chat? 35 to 33 then.
33, sir.
Still waiting on the chat. Was it Kritishwar?
Yes, sir.
Kritishwar. Koba Mune. I hope this is the question because there was another one who asked a question like this. 33. Sure. Alright. First we'll work out 33. It's a very simple question. Now it goes like cot (45 plus A), which is 1 over tan 45 plus A. there's a small solution. How's the name? විමර්ශ මගේ hands free දෙක ගන්න කායකේ තියෙන. නැත්නම් මෙයාට කියන කවුද අපේ මේ සීන් එක ලේසියද? Right. So this is because I want to get a response from the person who had the question. So this is 1 divided by tan 45 plus tan A over 1 minus tan 45 tan A. Clear? So this is 1 divided by tan 45 is just 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan 45 is once again 1 and then tan A. And then you can write the reciprocate because this division becomes multiplication. So it is 1 minus tan A.
So how did you?
Over 1 plus tan. Then the only thing I did, I divided all the by tan A. So 1 over tan A is hot A. Tan A divided by tan A is 1. 1 over tan A is hot A. And tan A divided by tan A is plus 1. So just divide everything by tan A. I hope the one who was there. Yeah. Now I can see the chat. You understood 33, right? Kritishwar? Umerla? Upasne horada was Umerla. Hamunade? Come on. Hadisyan. Tape.
Sir, the second last step I didn't understand.
Oh, I don't. Right. And this one, let me explain without erasing this. Because this has a connection with 36 as well. Right? Not direct forward, but a little bit. Now, I have thought that alpha minus beta as one separate angle. Imagine this is theta. Right? We have tan theta plus tan beta over 1 minus, once again think that this is theta. So I have 1 minus tan theta. So basically this is addition, right? Tan whatever the theta plus beta. But theta is alpha minus beta. Add another beta there. So beta cancels, you get only tan alpha, right? Variation. The next one. Next one, it says tan alpha minus beta 36 tan alpha minus beta plus tan beta. There should be a difference here, so it should be minus. Hope you have found it by now. It should be minus, right? Over. Now, 36 in between the first sign should be minus, right? Then comes 1 plus tan alpha minus beta times tan beta. Because you can see in tan shape, there's no such case where both the signs are same, right? Mea plus na mea minus, ne? Mea minus na mea plus, ne? So you should be able to recognize that it is going to be minus or plus here. Why I said minus? Because of the final result. The final result goes like this. If this is subtraction, it's going to be tan alpha minus beta, correct? And the result is the same, right? That is tan alpha minus 2 beta, right? Now what I'm telling is, even this addition formula, no matter how many identities you do, there's nothing that can thrill you. I mean, like, identities right? So that is why we have to go to the next level. The Pythagorean at least initially it was like, okay, that's great. We have sine squared, cos squared. So we have a problem with the new notation to start with. Right? Now we get addition formula, but what I'm telling about addition formula, it's too easy. Right? You can't even, have identities more than 2 or 3 steps. Stuck when you talk to one of your friends, maybe if you're stuck, your question is solved, right? So, but we need a better level, right? So then we will go to this special, set of identities called double and half angle formula. මේකේ හිර වෙන reason දෙකක් තියෙනවා ළමයි. එකක් තමයි the number of identities. Right? දැන් බලන්න කවුරුද 5 එකේ කියන minus කියන 9. Right? Addition formula කියන 6. Basic. Double and half angle identities 24. Right? And when and where to use? කලහන දාලා වැටෙන scene එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? So let's see how they work. So get a subtopic. Right? And if there's any specific question that is difficult, you can ask. 30? 37. 38. Shall I start with 37 then? 37 is called. So we'll work out those as well. Remainder you can attempt at home, but I want to continue with double and half. 37, right? Abhi 37 kar liyo na, right? ඔයාලා කතා කරන්න එපා. මම මේ උගුර පොඩ්ඩක් අවුල ගහලා තියෙන බල්ලෝ කාලා තියෙන. Let's do 37 first. Is cot alpha plus beta, cot alpha plus 1 over cot alpha minus cot alpha plus beta. Honey, ready? You have to show that this is straight away equal to cot beta. Let's see. Now dealing with cot is anyway dangerous, right? Because we are much used to tan and we don't have identities based on cot, right? Our cot addition के लिए तो बनाना है. The बोरू हितें हदा करने में पा tan alpha plus beta cot नहीं में थी. We don't have to imagine those cases because we have predefined sets. So we can write this is 1 over tan alpha plus beta. It's a product, so this is 1 over tan alpha. Then comes plus 1. Divided by cot alpha is 1 over tan alpha minus cot beta is 1 over tan alpha plus beta. Clear? So now we have a common denominator. We have tan alpha plus beta times tan alpha. So your numerator is now 1 plus tan alpha plus beta times tan alpha. Clear? Divided by, we have tan alpha times tan alpha plus beta, but now this time this is tan alpha plus beta minus tan alpha. So now you can write the reciprocate. So it's going to be 1 plus tan alpha plus beta times tan alpha over tan alpha plus beta tan alpha multiplied by this guy, that is tan alpha times tan alpha plus beta over tan alpha plus beta minus tan alpha. So clearly this is getting cancelled with this, right? Same term, right? Now we have 1 plus tan alpha plus beta tan alpha over tan alpha plus beta minus tan alpha. Now, if you have something like this, 2 divided by 3, right? Don't you think this is same as 1 divided by 3 over 2? Correct? Because if this is division, you can put it as multiplication and turn it around and get the same answer back. So what we can do here is the same. Because I have 1 plus something. Like in tan shapes, you have this 1 plus or 1 minus something in the denominator, not in the numerator. So I would write this is 1 divided by, numerator is this, that is tan alpha plus beta minus tan alpha, and then divided by 1 plus tan alpha plus beta tan alpha. Now you can see it's the same feeling now, because subtraction of tan. So now this is 1 divided by tan alpha plus beta, the first angle, minus alpha. Correct. So clearly alpha cancels. So 1 divided by is same as 1 over tan beta, which is of course what? Beta, right? Clear? And we will work out 38 as well. एक दी रहा है got stuck there. And speaking. We have one of our teachers, joining from Kandy. Kandy, or is it Kurunagala? I think Kurunagala. In the big screen. Or the all may have a spotlight color pen. There is a class happening in Kurunagala as far as I know, right? I couldn't talk to him. So basically, in the future, what we are trying is like, especially the Kandy students that we have, right? I'm going to get them on different screens so that their institute will be telecasted there, so they can come and sit there, they can learn, simple as that, right? So this is just a preview because he is in Kurunagala. He is teaching media, by the way. He is not teaching mathematics, but same setup can be done, right? For the Kandy students, they can sit there nicely and they can actually listen to the lesson, right? And they can see us, right? Simple as that. So I mean, now online learning has different aspects. Okay, it is not only about a student staying at home and learning something, right? You can even get the people who does not have internet facilities to an institute and give proper internet connection there, right? And then, connect them to another, classroom like this, right? So I'm like, this is nice idea. Gayani is our teleportation manager. So basically he is doing different type of testings, spotlight, right? Okay. So in the morning also, actually in the morning he was in Kandy, right? Now he's in Kurunagala. Right. So basically, initially, we had a lot of issues, right? I mean, he's really good with me even now. He wanted to get a project done from me. Dimut yojana karna, Tarin Nishprabha karna. Dimusa dawa satara call kara macam mata hybrid system में खादल दी बंग class से गिरा मम कथा कर लोगों में plan का खादल देना सारे तो मक्कर को कथा गिरा ना ये उन्हाटा होलन ने अभी मैं करूँगी गिरा like but then I didn't want to continue much further मैं शक्ति का आरे साथ देंगी ना मेरा आश्रमाते का right because as soon as this thing started I called Shakti the owner. Like then I said they had like a balance of 3.5 lakhs or something like that. Mangoa me at this moment, we have a lot of issues. So can you give me like half of the amount that is? I say, Diane, why do you call like a beggar? That is a story that I shared. Right? Then basically, I didn't want to talk any further. I should do something on my own. Why should we always, work for an institute? Right? Then I full class කරන්නේ කේ දවස්වල ඉරිදට 2021 එක උදේ කරනවා 20 හවස කරනවා කැමති ගෙට එන්නේ කියනවා ඕන නැත්නම් නිකන් ඉන්න කියනවා because I don't earn from tuition anymore දැන් මම මේක කරන්නේ ආතල් එකට this is going to be my hobby කියලා මොකද අනාථ කරන්නේ I'm going to do it properly right so but I will have only one fixed time right that fixed time I can teleport to anywhere that I like මට එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් කරන්න ඕන තරම් සතිය දවස් 6ක්ම තියෙනවා right and this is better so the people who really wants to come for a class and learn they will come to the class and people who want to save their time or like whatever the other issues they can stay at home and learn at the same time and if they don't have time to even come to this particular time they will purchase the VOD and participate in the lesson like that not participate basically the lesson will participate in their life something like that will happen right so whatever the way it is if you can continuously learn these things you will gradually enhance right paper classes කරනකොට institute එක book කරන්න පුළුවන් සතිය දවස් 5ටම අවුලන්නේ right මට ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ කැමති දවසේ paper ලියන්න දෙන්න right we have a marking through they will mark it and then I can do the discussion in the same manner right இது ඕකනේ ඉගෙන ගන්නවා කියලා කරන්නේ tuition කියලා පට්ට බොරුවනේ අපි කරන්නේ අපි හැමෝම දන්න syllabus එක දන්නේ නැති උන් සෙට් එකකට එක එක කාමර වලට දාලා වාඩි කරවලා කියලා දෙනවා isn't it I don't know there's something more special than that but when you are doing that you add your essence to that right you have your own taste so you add to that ඉතින් සමහරක් ළමයි මේ taste එකට ආසයි හැබැයි ඇත්තටම ඉගෙන ගන්න කවුද amen අපිට කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ we just have to show you the path that's all you have to work on it right ඉතින් සමහරක් ළමයි are self motivated some students are not right ඉතින් self motivated නැති කට්ටියට අපි පොඩි support එකක් දෙනවා and we try to make them self motivated and when that happens at one point of A level life game is over අපි තව මාස 3කම ඉඳුනොත් මම ගේම ගහනවා කොහොම හරි I will get this support and I'm going to have my own plan your game is over there අවුල දෙන සමහරකම් A level අන්තිම දවසේ හිතනවා මං හෙට A level කරනවාද අන්න ඒ වගේම ඉන්නවා right ඒකයි සමහරකම් හිතන් ඉන්නවා A level කියන්නේ is something that you can do in the final 6 months it's not going to happen right දැන් මේ වගේ කොරෝනා කේස් එකක් આવොත් good දැන් ලබන අවුරුද්දේ සීන් එකක් ඇවිල්ලා පරක්කු වෙලා එහෙම එක්සෑම් පරක්කු කරලා වගේ දුන්නොත් හරි otherwise it is a time challenge right නැත්නම් A level කරලා මාස 6ක් ගියාට පස්සේ ඉතින් A level කියන්නේ පට්ට ලේසි එක now at the moment you think about all of that it's very easy right similarly after A levels in 6 months time you will think that A level is nothing ඉතින් මේ කාලේ පැනගන්න තමයි කේස් එක තියෙන්නේ right so similarly in my mind right I want something called freedom I don't know what you are searching for my pursuit is freedom මනුස්සයෙක් නිකන් ඉන්න බැරි නම් ඒ කියන්නේ වෙන හරකෙක් නෙවෙයි ඒ හරකත් කරන්නේ වැඩ කරන එකමනේ ඕගොල්ලෝ හරක කරන වැඩ දන්නවද ඕගොල්ලෝ ඌ ඔය කුඹර වැඩ වල සෙට් වෙනවා හරිද ඒතරුරු කොහොමත් ඒ කුඹුරු මේව කරන කාලේ ඒ කාල් සීසන් එකෙම වැඩ right ඊට පස්සේ හරක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් සෙට් වෙනවා ඔය සමහරක් පැතිවල මේ නිකන් අර ආතල් එකට එහෙට මෙහෙට යවන්නේ තරක් ටික තමයි ඒ කියන්නේ වලියක් සෙට් වුණාම අල්ලපු දෙලත් එක්ක හරක් දෙන්නෙක් විතරවල ඒක කොළ ටික ඔක්කොම කාලා එනවා එනු කඩ යන වැඩෙත් කරනවා ඊට පස්සේ ඌගේ ඇඟේ තියෙන හැම කෑල්ලම ගන්නවා මැරුණාට පස්සේ මසුත් ගන්නවා right එතකොට ඌ මැරලත් වැඩක් නෑ නේද මැරලත් දුගේ මොකක් හරි ප්‍රයෝජනයක් so basically what I'm telling is I don't want to live like that මට ආතල් එකේ පැත්තටලා ඉන්නේ නැත්තම කියනවා ක්ලාස් උත් නොකර ඉන්න තිබ්බනම් ඒත් පට්ට right එහෙම කරන්න බෑනේ because I have some responsibilities to carry on right so another maybe 3 or 4 batches I will definitely do the teaching part then the game is over right දැන් සමහරක් කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා දැන් ටියුෂන් සීනියර් වැස්සාම මැරෙන ගම ටියුෂන් කරනවා ෆිලමන්ට් එක ගහලා යන ගම පත් වෙනවා right එතකොට ඉතින් අවුල් right then you will never satisfy your life right තව ජීවිතේ කොච්චර දේවල් තියෙනවද ලංකාවට යන්න. ලංකාවෙත් තාම තැන් ටිකට කියලා නෑ බා. ලංකාවේ තියෙන දිස්ත්‍රික්ක 23 කීයක් කවර් කරලා තියෙනවද? I don't know. So I need to find freedom. I think this is the best way to find that. Right? I think you can have your own dream. Right? For an example, I don't know what are the examples I can give. First, make it a fantasy, and then make it a reality. Simple as that. Simple, nae. But that is the case. Right? What the katta kanne, it was that. Right? So anyway, afterwards, after this Sunday, we will be having very usual paid classes. සල්ලි අරන් කරන්න බෑ අපරාධන වෙලා. Right? හැබැයි එතනින් පස්සේ ළමයි මේ මම වෙන ඉන්ස්ටිටියුට්ස් එක කොහොමද ආපහු ගනුදෙනු කරන්න යන්නේ. But there will be some teachers joining us. For an example, Sanjeev will be starting his classes this Tuesday morning. Sorry? Sorry? Maybe somewhere else, like in this institute. He'll be starting on Tuesday morning, right? And Samudita will be teleporting from Kandy and Negombo. Right? Teleported class are a little bit different, so the cameras will be onto you, right? And you will be sitting that way around, and you will be looking at the projector screen, and maybe the teacher will be teaching from Kandy or somewhere else, like Kandy, Negombo, Gurunegala or somewhere, and you will be watching the lesson from here, right? Even a scene, even other there, right? So I think that's good. I mean, like, lamai godak lamai classroom එක තුල හිටියාම දෙපා වෙනා නේද? Right? When you have like 100, 200 students, කෙල්ල එක්ක බලා ගන්න හොඳයි. ඒතකොට selections ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. කොල්ලොන්ට හොඳයි. ඒ කියන්නේ කෙල්ල 50ක් විතර ඉන්නකොට මේ පළවෙනි දවසේ එක කෙල්ලෙක් දිහා බලන් ඉන්නවා. දෙවෙනි දවසේ එදා ආරය දිහා බලන් ඉන්නවා. අද මෙයා දිහා බලන් ඉන්නවා. For selections good, right? But I think for learning, I think a small classroom with little number of students, you can ask questions without any hesitation, right? They are online නේ උන්ටික මට වැඩි අහින්නෙත් නෑනේ. එතනුන් chat එකේ බැන බැන ඉන්නවා. Then I can ask some questions in between, right? උනාට කිව්වා නෑනේ බයිනවා නෑනේ. If you are doing classes at Shakti, if so, tell the time please. No, I won't be doing class at Shakti. If Shakti wants to do any classes here, they can talk to me and teleport them here. And Sirahar again. Because Shakti Institute is not in a position to give the space for more than 100 students, right? In this particular venue, we had a class with a participation of more than 300 students. Like the teacher was teaching, Manos Solangaraj was teaching here, right? And there were nearly 100 students sitting here. And then there were 100 students in this hall, there were 100 in this, right? And all the projects were working. And there were more than that, there were 600 students online, right? So all 900 students were learning, 300 live. This is the concept for the future. Class you have a group of 100 students and then another time slot for another 100 students. So teacher will have to have 2 weeks scheduled for 7 days. Impractical, it's not going to work for a long time because they always think this is temporary. Corona can be temporary, but technological enhancement is not temporary. And students will need more, specific things with the time. So let's go to 38 then. $38. 38. Someone wanted me to do 38, right? 38 crores, Shall I let you consult one of your friends for that? You are also on the 38. Couldn't do it. You want me to do it? Okay, we'll do it. Because I want to rush into a double and half angle, but we'll work out 30-10. Our name. Okay, then we'll go to double and half angle identities. Because that 37, 38 looks the same, right? Maybe a small difference, plus minus difference. Get the topic, double and half angle identification. Double and half angle identity, right? Okay, now there's a small task, double and half angle identities. We are going to think through doubling and dividing process out of 2, right? So let's see how it works. Then make a shape baragana, you know, me in the Honda concentrate balagan, even the online people, if you are sleeping, why can't I switch my screen to search screen and then find problem solved? It's all right, it's all right. Okay. Now this is going to be the scenario now. You will have a small task to think of sine 2 times A. Okay. My target is to understand what is sine 2A. Okay. What if I write that this is similar to sine A plus A? Sine A plus A. So let's use the identity we know in terms of addition. So what do you get? Sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. So this is 2 sine A cos A, right? Because it's the same term but repeated, isn't it? Sine A, cos A, sine A. But sine A into cos A and cos A into sine A is the same, right? So now we can write this is sine 2A. But look at the shape. When you have 2A, right? The angle here is A. I'm like, you divide that 2A by 2, right? So what if I have sine 4A? What do you think? It's going to be, it's always 2, okay? It is not going to change to 4, right? Because it comes by adding the same term twice, okay? So 2 sine, but this is not 4A but 2A, right? Correct? Then cos 2A, right? Are we clear? Further, what if I have sine A only? Then comes a proper half angle identity. You can write this is going to be 2 sine, it was A to start with, so A divided by 2, right? So sine A over 2. And then cos A over 2, right? 2 sine A over 2, cos A over 2. Are we clear? Right. So now we can get this down. Guys, get this down, then we'll talk about it. Okay, for the time being, online people, get this down, then I will re-explain. Okay, correct. Can we simplify this a little bit? Now it's cos A, right? Sin A, sin A. There's no B there, right? Cos A into cos A is cos squared A, right? Then minus, cos A into cos A again, cos squared A, ne? Okay, in a while, I'll be coming onto the board. Get ready. Right. So we were dealing with double angle identities and we just gave it an initiation, right? Now, cos 2A is a little bit more interesting, right? Due to few facts. Let's have a look at it. Now, if you have cos 2A, you would have started like this. Cos A plus A, right? So we can write this is cos A times cos A minus sin A times sin A. So simply speaking, you have cos squared A minus sin squared A, right? So cos 2A is now cos squared A minus sin squared A. Similarly, using this particular idea, you can look at the half angle identity. If it is cos A, in class people you can answer. If cos 2A is cos squared A minus sin squared A, what is cos A in the same shape? Cos squared A over 2 minus sin squared A over 2, right? Simple, right? But there's something very special. Because these cos squared terms and sin squared terms are much more familiar, right? Under Pythagorean identities, right? So whenever you want, you can replace cos squared A by what? 1 minus sin squared A. And you can replace sin squared A by 1 minus cos squared A. So that will give you two more shapes. So let's have a look at them. So you can write cos 2A. Let's say I want to write everything only in terms of cosine terms. I can write this is cos squared A, but for sin squared A, I'm going to replace that by 1 minus cos squared A. And then we can simplify this. So that you get cos 2A is equal to cos squared A minus 1 minus minus plus, right? So that is 2 cos squared A minus 1, isn't it? Once again, we can have half angle identity. So half angle is cos A equals to cos squared A divided by 2 minus 1. Are we clear? Shall we get this down? Because we have another variation. Shall we complete the variation as well? Then we'll get down. So we can go for the other variation from here. So this time I can write cos 2A. So I'm going to get rid of cos squared A by write 1 minus sin squared A. Isn't it? Already there's another sin squared A minus. So minus another sin squared A. So you have cos 2A giving you 1 minus 2 sin squared A, right? So the half angle identity, you get cos A being equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin squared A over 2. So look at the numbers. We are standing on number 16, right? So we have number 17, double angle of sine. Number 18, that is half angle of sine. Then the basic version of cosine. So number 19 and the half angle number 20. Then this one 21, 22, and then 23, 24, right? Then we'll try to make a connection between them. First of all, get them down, then we'll start making connection. Like class in under participants are out. Oh, okay. सामने है नहीं ये तो डाल दी ना इस पर नहीं आता माता है इस पर जरा हाँ ये नहीं पहाड़े नहीं पहाड़ियाँ भी डाल दी कुंगे के नित्रों नंदो पलगल नहीं वाली जिस पे चोंडी අරක තමයි හොඳ දේ. We have to target on something. Any question? If you have any question, you can ask. දැන් බලන්න sound එක. Right. කඩිය වැඩ නවතුමුද? Right. Now, having a bunch of identities is not going to help us, right? We need to have a proper shape and order. For an example, when you come to this addition and subtraction formulae, things are much more profound, right? Because we saw some pattern. Sine is nice, cos is ugly, tan is straight. But now this is all like a mixture, isn't it? So let's get rid of everything. Are you there? Yeah, leave karana. Leave from that meeting. Just close the tab. I'm like close the participant tab, and then leave. මේ පාඩේ තමයි හොඳට බලා ගන්න ඕනේ. Because if you don't get the shapes into your mind, there's no point of just knowing the proof, right? Proof is important because that gives you the connection, right? But the shape is important, that makes the application, right? So let's look at sine. Sine is anyway innocent, right? So when you have sine 2a, innocent sine is bringing that 2 up front, right? Sine is always given an opportunity to what? Cos. Sharing and caring. So we have 2 sine A cos A. Caroline? So by looking at this, or by having that shape, you can build up the half angle identity without any hesitation. So you may write sine A is given by 2 sine A over 2 cos A over 2. So you can see this is the prominent equation or prominent identity. Now let's make it an identity. With the 3 lines, it makes an identity, which means this is true for any angle A. Right? After we establish, it becomes an identity. Right? Similarly, sine A is always 2 sine A over 2 cos A. But this is a prominent shape. Let's look at cos 2A, the prominent shape. Cos 2A, the prominent shape. Cos is ugly, right? So cos starts with cos itself, ugly, minus sine square. Category. Abhi aasa nahi minus. Aasa nahi hota. So we have some ugly shape to start with. So of course, based on this, we can build up the half angle. So cos A is now cos squared A by 2 minus sine squared A by 2. Are we clear? Let's go on to the variations. The people who are doing music, who has done music, Western music, Western music, right? Okay. Have you heard about inversions? That's Oriental music, right? Western music people, you remember when you had chords, right? For chords, we had inversions, right? For an example, for lesson. Now, when you have these keys like C, then D. I think all of you know these notes, right? Like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then it continues, right? Make more than on harket than no, right? Again. Now, when you take these keys, you can see what they have done. They have taken the first 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? But the starting point is C itself. Silent paragraph. Palada. And how is that? Supper, super. I'll talk to him later. Supper. Super is one of my friends. Right? Okay. Right? Now, this is itself is an inversion. That means without starting from A, you start from C. Right? So then C, D, E, F, G, once again it comes back to A. Repetition. Right? Now, if you take a major chord, music, this is all mathematics, okay? C, E, G is the C major chord, right? That means you take the scale C major that has no flats, no sharps, right? And then you go one after one, like you skip one note and go to the other one. And always there will be the order called tone, semitone. Mr. Music therapy on the Nani, tone again. If you go from one white key to a black key, that's a semitone. Black key to a white key, semitone. Between a white key and white key, if there's no black key, that is also semitone. 2 semitones will make a tone. Don't you think it's mathematics? It's all math, right? So if it is a chord, if it's a major chord, it has to be on a major scale. If it is a major scale, it will be in the shape of tone, semitone. See? From here to here, tone, semitone. Right? Then you skip the semitone, come back to the next one. Once again, tone, semitone, that is C. Once again, you meet the C. So that is going to be a major scale. In the major scale, you take 1, 3, 5, that becomes a major chord. Now the basic version of major chord goes like that, 1, 3, 5. But if someone is going to play 3, 5, 1, still you should make the same noise, right? That is also the same chord, but it is called an inversion, right? You can also start with 5 and then play 1 and then 3. That is also same chord, but it will have a different taste. Now, good musicians, all musicians are good, but I'm like, good musicians, better musicians, rather than the basic chord, they use inversions because they like the taste, different taste. And pianists, like not the other instruments, pianists, what they do is, they go for a 4th note as well. Sometimes by using these 3 notes, they go for the leading note. And then it gives you a different sense. But this is more than enough for the trigonometry part. Now, when you go to cos 2a, now this is like the major version, major chord. That means you go for the basic version, cos squared a minus sin squared a, basic ugly version, right? Then comes the first inversion that only consists of what? Only consists of cos. Cos last time is kata. Yeah, karane mono ada. Kata. Again cos kila again. Why hitana ada? Cos kawadawa sin ta prominent වෙන්න chance එකක් දෙයි කියලා. එහෙම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. So cos 2a, the version of cosine, the inverse, will definitely start with cos itself with 2 in front. Cos pora වෙනවා. Sin ta chance එකක් නැති වෙනවා. That is going to be the cosine version. This is the same identity you see here. Again, මෙයාට තියෙන chord frequency එක මෙයාට තියෙන. But this taste is different. Similarly, C major chord is a basic version, right? හැබැයි මේකට අපි ආසයි. chord thrill එකක් තියෙනවා. මම feel නෑ මට කියන්න තේරෙන්නේ නෑ. That's a feeling, right? අද ගෙදර ගිහිල්ලා keyboard එකක් තියෙනවා නම් C major chord එකක් ගහන්න. ගහලා ගෙදර බල්ලගේ expressions තියා බලන්න. සිරාසින් නැහැ. ගෙදර බල්ලා ඉන්නවනේ. බල්ලට කතා කරන්න. ආදරෙන් කතා කරන්න. බල්ලට සැරෙන් කතා කරන්න ඒවා. ඒතර බල්ලවට සැරෙන් කතා කරන්න. බලලා කියන බල්ලෝ I'm going to play the major chord, C major chord. Or C major chord එක ගහ. බලන්න නිකන් normal එකේ ඉන්නවා. Then you are going to play the inversion. හවුද ගන්න 3 5 1. කියනවා පටන් ගන්නෙ E වලින්. E G then C. බලන්න පොඩියක්. But it will have seriously මේ ජෝගනේ මම try කරලා තියෙනවා. බල්ලත් එක experiments කරන්න. මොකද බල්ලට වැඩි දෙයක් කරන්න බෑනේ. බොරන්න පුළුවන්, කන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So you can make experiments through dogs, fish. All try කරලා නැද්ද ඒවා? If you are in the field of mathematics, these kind of imaginary, experimentation you have to do. මොනවද කරන්නේ? What? Cockroach. Oh, we don't see it. Right? Okay. We'll talk about cockroach some other day. Right? Now, what is the next inversion? 5 1 3. Totally different, but still it's a part of cosine. So let me write the half angle first. You can help me. So cos A as the first inversion that goes as what?
Cos
squared A by 2
A over 2
minus 1. Coming back to sine, do you think cosine is going to give a chance to
So I have
sine
a
to
question.
be the prominent place? No, right? This is in terms of sine, but it will look like this. Let me write it here. Cos 2a, but it is not going to be 2 sine squared to start with. It will be at the end. It will start as what? 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Understand? So this is cos a. That is 1 minus 2 sine squared a by, simple as that. Now, if you want to know, if you want to trigger the double angles and half angles, කොල්ලා මේ ඔක ස්ක්‍රීන් ෂෙයා කරලා නැහැ ළමයින්ට ස්ක්‍රීන් ෂෙයා වෙන්නේ නැහැ හරි හරි දන්න ඔය මිනිමයිස් කරලා තියාගන්න අවුලන්නේ right? So if you want to trigger these basic versions of cosine, you don't have to keep them in your mind. අද මෙතන දොරින් එළියට යනවා නේද? මේ identities මතක තියාගෙන යන්න එපා. If you are trying to memorize identities, you will tend to forget. මතක තියාගෙන try කරනකොට තමයි අමතක වෙන්නේ. ඒ හොඳම ටෙක්නික් එක මොකක්ද? Use the inverse of that. ඉගෙන ගන්න හැම වෙලාවෙම අමතක කරලා දාන්න. ඉගෙන ගත්ත අමතක කරා. එතකොට මොලේ අවුල ගහනවා. උඹ අම්මට උඩු. මම අමතක කරන්න හදන්නේ දෙන්නන්ගේම I am going to stay. එහෙම දැන් බලන්න බූටක් කෑවාම ඔල්ලෝ මොකද කරන්නේ? මේ ඇත්ත කතානේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ දැන් ලොකු ළමයිනේ. ඔල්ලෝ බූට් කනවා කියන්නේ it's all hypothetical scenario. බූට් එක කනවා කියන්නේ තනිකරම psychological case එකක්. That means you have imaginary girlfriend in your mind. Right? බූට් එක කෑව කියන්නේ by definition what you have had was an imaginary girlfriend. Right? You have to first understand. බූට් එක කෑපු ගමන් තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ ඒ කියන්නේ ඉඳලා තියෙන girlfriend නෙමෙයි imaginary එක. Then you get really upset by there's a person who's not there, but you think that it's better if that person was there. Imaginary. එහෙම කියන්නේ නෑ නේද? null set. දැන් සීන් එක හිතේ අවුල ගන්නවා. සමහරක් කොල්ල මොකද කරන්නේ? කොල්ල සෙට් එකක ගිහලා බොනවා. බීලා මොකද try කරන්නේ ඇත්තටම? What are they trying to do? They are trying to forget. අපේ psychology ගාවල් උමල් ගන්න. නෑ අමතක කරන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. තව එක අලුතවත් memories ගෙනහල්ලා දෙනවා. ඔබට මතකද එදා පාරයිනේ හම්බුනේ first time. බල්ලෙක් ගාව තමයි කෙල්ල හිටියේ. දැන් පරණේ මතක් කරනවා. ඒ memories trigger කරන්න බඩ. That's called a trigger. right? ඊට පස්සේ ඒක තමතක් කරනවා. තව බොනවා. right? තව ටිකක් බීගෙන යනවා මතක් වෙනවා. එයා දවසක් හැලපයක් ගෙනහල්ලා දුන්නා. example. මගේ birthday කරනකොට හැලපයක් දුන්නා. නෑ දේවාට ඒකේ triggers එනවා. ඊට ඒක තමතක් කරනවා. කීයක් කළාද ආපහු මතක් වෙනවා. මොන වුණත් ඒකෙල් හරි අහිංසකයි. බල්ලෙක් දැක්කම හී ගන්න. right? ඒ මතක් right? So those are triggers. Why you get triggers? Because you are trying to, right? Okay. Anyway, we don't have time to repeat the story once again. But the bottom line of the story is to forget whatever the thing that you are learning. Then my story right? So these identities, don't try to remember. Right? Again, right? So the essence of this thing, in my mind, I have just one thing. That is the codes and inversions. Cosine double angle identities. This is the shape that comes to my mind. Like the basic codes. I'm like, I see these notes. Right? That's all. Right? I see three letters. I'm like maybe CEG, EGC, right? Inversion. And that triggers me here. But if someone questions me, okay, tell me these identities, maybe I'm getting stuck. Because I'm not using my memory. And if you are going to depend on your memory, once again it can be a disadvantage. The man him again memory ke hinda apahasayata pattunu taritha. Memory ke hinda mara prashnayak weccha pora. Ola ahala dina pora. And everyone Gajini. You know Gajini, right? Among bodyguard film. For a short term memory loss, I can remember the story. Short term memory loss. Now he is trying to remember everything that happened, right? In order to, maybe, yeah. Mokare photo annari. Ponde kapala tattega, pachaga, and a scene right? Why? Because the memory is gone. But if he was little bit logical enough, he can have a short note. Books are there. Right? Fantasy. But if you are a mathematics guy, definitely you will feel like it's a joke from the beginning. Notebook? I was like, why do you want to keep tattoos everywhere? Oh, right? And there are many other ways without putting tattoos on. Within tattoos, right? They happen. I can name right? So best thing is don't try to remember anything. Don't become Gajini. Just forget everything. Then Nikonda Balanna, after this story, just close your eyes and see whether you can see these identities in your mind. Horse has how many shapes? Horse has how many shapes to start with? Cosine 2a. How many shapes you are going to have? 3 shapes. What is the basic shape? Cos squared a minus sin squared a. What is the first inversion? That one that starts with cos. 2 cos squared a minus 1. And what is the third inversion? 1 minus 2 sin squared a. And upon that you can build up the half angle identities. No, right? If you want, you can get down a note for the last time. Right? I'll give you 1 minute. Just get down them and then erase from the mind. Trigger. See whether you can trigger. Who's Rajini? It's Gajini. Abhi glass hai. Oh, chat okay, guys, get this down. Now some people have missed the fun today, right? One person is putting. I am showing up at that place next week. So they are missing the place already. I told you guys, mang ye give message damane group. It's better if you can come to the physical class on the first day damane. At 21 eකට දාලා දෙන්න. අගල්ලා ගන්න. Right? Now from here, we will be moving on to a different shape, but still double angle, right? So let me erase this. What about tan? We can write tan a plus a in the place of tan 2a, right? To find what is tan 2a, we can use tan a plus a. Are we clear? So now we can see this is tan a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a times tan a. Are we clear? So this is simply 2 tan a, correct? And this is 1 minus tan squared a, isn't it? Sorry? 1 minus, correct, right? Okay. So this is simply tan 2a, right? So then basically what is tan a? In the same shape, it should be 2 tan a by 2 over 1 minus tan squared a by 2. Are we clear? Right? Shape. Marda video phone. Pela gida. Ay. Pai hadri sadara. Hath venekan tibbana ned. Hariyata baya no baya. Iwaranga karanna no. Mම ගොවන්නේ දැන් මම මගේ තැනක ඉන්නේ. සත්‍ති මොනවාද? මතකද? ABCD ISM නනවන නෑ. මට උනාට පටන් ගත්තා මට උනාට ඉවර කරා. right? අම්මලා තාත්තලා කිව්වොත් එහෙම පරක් වෙනවා අරක මේක කියලා. අම්මලාට කියනවා පිටිපස්සට දාලා. right? ඉතින් අම්මලා කිව්වොත් පරක් වුණා කියලා ඉවර වෙන්න. අම්මලාට කියන්නේ ඊළඟට පරක් කරනවා නම් ඒක පිටිපස්සට දාලා. අතන්දරය දෙකක් ආගන්න බලන්න. So seriously, if parents can learn a little bit of trigonometry, that will be great. Right? So this is going to be number 25, right? And this is 26. So let me write 25 and 26 like this. Anyway, 25 and 26. Now shall we have a look at all double angle identities now? Up to now. Then mama kiyanne ogolu mata kiyanne one. හැබැයි මතකෙන් කියනවනේ බැලන්නේ. You can't use the memory now. Right? කියන්නේ ගිරවසින් එක නැතුව feeling එක කියන්නේ. You will tell me the identities but not by memorizing. And naturally එන එක කියන්නේ. බොරුවක් ආව කියනකො කියලා දාන්න. ඒක හරියොත් අපි ගොඩ. Right? Now we can find this out by the music that you produce. ඒ කියන්නේ කට්ටියම කියනවා අහන what is sin 2a? set එකම කියනවා 2 sin ඒක දෙකක් හෝ ගාති බඩමාට. ඒ කියන්නේ උඩ feeling එක ගිලනේ. Right? ඒනේ natural එන එක කියන්නේ. හරි. So we'll start with sin එකපාරට කියනවා මම කිව්වම කියන්නේ. sin 2a. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන එක තමයි මම ලියන්නේ. හවුද ළමයි? 2 sin a cos A. ඒ කියන්නේ එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ හඬට පස්සේ අනිත් එක්කෙනා හඬ එන්න බෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ wait කරනවා. අර මොකද්ද කියන්නේ එහෙම බෑ. All the people should tell at the same moment, then we can find it out. Okay, in the same idea, I think sin A can be generated. ඒක නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොර කළා හරි කියනවා මොකද you can look at this. That should be 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, right?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, you can ask a question. Yes.
So can't you write this same identity as sin A is equals to sin A cos A? Can't you divide the 2 in front of the sign by the...
Okay, give me a second. Hold on, make on karanna because I want these people to Vidishwar Ragu, ප්‍රශ්න මම ගන්නවා තව චුට්ටකින්.
Okay.
Right. Because I want the others to hear what you are telling. So let's continue. So the basic version of cos 2A. Then one cos squared A minus sin squared. So the half angle variation, that's cos A, that is cos squared A over 2 minus sin squared A over 2. Given n. First inversion, cos 2A, only in terms of cos 2 cos squared A minus 1. Then cos A should be 2 cos squared A by 2 minus 1. Second inversion, cos 2A only in terms of sin. That should be 1 minus 2 sin square A, right? Madam Bluetooth mode rather. Right, then you have the half angle variation which is cos A, and that is 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Ritishwar, Omi Nivasam Tamane. Ajuttai. Ari, what die? Almost there. Ritishwar, आगे पास ने हारना.
Okay, so my question was, so when the identity on the right side is not a square and 2 is a common denominator, so for sin A equals 2 sin A over 2 cos A over 2, can't you divide the 2 right next to the equal sign by both the denominators since it's common?
You are talking about which identity?
So I can't hear you properly. Your audio is there.
You are talking about which identity?
So the second one from the top. Yes, sir. So in that, on the right side, can't you eliminate those two and cut off the 2 on top? Yeah, that one. Can't you eliminate that? Yes, sir, but it's a common denominator, right? And when it's multiplied, the okay. Huh? I didn't understand that. Okay, yeah, I understand that. Okay.
समझ गया?
So I can't hear you. Your audio, I can't hear it.
समझ गया?
Huh?
Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
So, but then it's a common denominator, isn't it? The 2. So that part I didn't understand.
No, actually, it is not the common denominator. it is inside the sine function, right?
Ah,
It
okay.
is inside the sine function, right? So
Okay.
you cannot cancel something inside the sine function from outside, right? So,
So
it is going
2
to be
is
illegal move.
so 2 is multiplying the sine function, and the 2 as a denominator is a value of what is being signed.
Yeah. So
Ah,
inside
okay.
the sine function, what you have is an angle. In front of sine function, what you have is a number. So you
Oh,
can't
okay, okay.
simplify them together, right?
Ah, okay, so a over 2 is an angle. Makes sense now.
Yeah.
Okay, understood.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Understood, right?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Over and out.
Over and out.
Nice. Okay, so let's get back to it. But don't worry, guys. This is only for today. We will be actually arranging them properly. You know, these sound setups will be, you know, placed on a surrounding format, right? Or maybe extensions, right? You know, the woofer will be in front, and then on these columns you will have the 4, you know, sound beams. Because I want to create an environment. For an example, let's say if I want to show you a video where a helicopter is coming, I want to have that surround, you know, feeling, right? What I usually later on, in the bed, right? Huh? Right? So we can't give everything on the first day, right? So you can see from the first online class we had a sudden development, right? So we are still developing, right? Initially I was developing the web platforms. Now we are developing a physical platform, right? I think we will have a nice facility downstairs. Now you know Mano Solanga, right? So he bought the downstairs, right? He rented it out. So we will be making a huge hall there with 600 students capacity. And there will be a video library there. For example, all these VODs that we are giving, you can come to the facility and watch like movies, right? And we will have a sound editing lab, right? And by next week, we are starting a news program only dedicated for tuition, right? Myself and one of my friends is doing, right? And that will be on YouTube Live on our Prime Tuition YouTube channel. Yeah, right? We'll see. If it is possible, I'll do it in Tamil. Right? So basically, yeah, there are few things to be done, but I thought of doing it step by step, right? So you've been a strength for me from the beginning. So we will continue like a team, so that when your examination is near, we can give you the best facilities ever, right? So you will be the first batch to experience this from the beginning. I'm going to have a batch again. मैददी अंतिम दिखे का पिस्सू के लिए ना देवगोल दामे पटांगा तक हम ये वाली पिस्सू को कोटा सकते हैं है क्या अगले बीच से right? So yeah, fortunate or maybe unfortunate, I don't know. It depends on the end result, right? Okay, let's continue. Ritishwar, do you experience any lag in the sound? No, right? Because I am using my mobile phone sounds, right? So apart from that, only 2 remaining identities were tan 2 and tan. So do you think the double angle and half angle is now over? Then right? So let's move on to the next chapter. Still double angles, okay? Double angle and half angle. Now I am going to erase everything from the memory. Then we'll start thinking new. When I was in grade 5, I guess, there's this examination called scholarship exam. Scholarship exam right? The exam exam.
So your video is stuck again.
I got it. I got to know, right? So I can give you another video output, right? But there will be a small lag in the video, but with high quality. May I have seen channel? Over me sound device galola. Me. For the time being, I'll come from here. Right. So until he's setting up the other visuals, may make a video call for them. ඔතන zoom එකේ වීඩියෝ එක off කරන්න. off කරලා මේක දෙන්න. There's a high quality cam, but you can see the cam down, right? But there's a small delay. Like a delay එකක් තියෙනවනේ. ඒ තමයි මේ cam එක. The moving camera.
So still can't see, sir.
ඊට පස්සේ උඹලා නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ මේ ඉතින්.
Hari.
Wait. Guys, our still camera battery has totally gone, right? But we have this moving camera, the new setup. But still, there's a small issue because there's a small 3 to 4 seconds lag in that video. But you will see me super HD, right? ඉස්සෙල්ලා පෙවුන නිකන් අහිංසක නළුවෙක් වගේ මේකෙන් බලපොඩ මැරගතියක් තියෙනවා. එච්චර යවල. ස්ක්‍රීන් ෂෙයාරින් බලද්දා. Zoom එකට ගිහිල්ලා මේ දැන් මේ ක්ලාස් එක ස්ටාර්ට් කරලා okay, he will do it. Right. So I'll tell you the story. This grade 5 scholarship exam, right? Grade 5 scholarship exam. දැන් ඕක මට ආස නැති මොකද දන්නද? අපේ තිබ්බලම ටියුෂන් ක්ලාස් එකක්. ඒ ටියුෂන් ක්ලාස් එකේ කරන්න ඇවිල්ලා ආන්ටි කෙනෙක්. ඒ කියන්නේ එයාට කියන්නේ ආන්ටි කියලා. ආන්ටිගේ ක්ලාස් යනවා දැන්. ඒ කාලේ තියෙන ෆේමස් එක වා ශිෂ්‍යත්ව ක්ලාස් යන්නේ කවුද ගාව? ආන්ටි ගාවට. ඒ කියන්නේ වැඩේ. ආන්ටි ක්ලාස් යන්න බෑ හැම එක්කනට. ආන්ටි ගහනවා. ආන්ටි බයිනවා. right? ආන්ටි තග දානවා. ආන්ටිත් එක්ක වැඩේ කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන්නේ ශිෂ්‍යත්ව වලත් ගොඩ. right? ආන්ටිට ඉංග්‍රීසි පුළුවන්. ආන්ටිට මැතමැටික්ස් පුළුවන්. ආන්ටිට සිංහල පුළුවන්. ආන්ටිට කරාටෙත් පුළුවන්. right? ආන්ටි ශිෂ්‍යත්ව ක්ලාස් ගියා කියලා කියන්නේ ඔය වැඩේ. So what happened one day this auntie called me in front of the class and said පුතා හතර චක්‍රේ ගියා යන්නකෝ. හතර චක්‍රේ, that means the multiplication table of 7. එහෙනම් අවුලක් තියෙනවා මට. I can't actually those days දැනුත් පොඩ්ඩක් අවුල යනවා. This multiplication table is a big hesitation because I can't remember these numbers. Then 7 times 1 comes 7 කියනවා. When someone says 7 times 2, what I do is I add them. 7. So you have another 3 remaining, another 4, so 14. That is how you think. 7 times 3. What do you think I'm doing? 7 times 3. I have 5 and 5 and 5, 2 and 2 and 2. So 15 and 6, that is 21. That is how I used to think. So it takes some time to process. Right? 7 into 4. Right? I take 8 times 4 minus 4. Because I can easily add some numbers, so I add them. And then I can use subtraction, addition, all that. And Anitya කියනවා මෙහෙම. යාළුවෝ කියන්නේ මෙහෙම. 4 එක 7 7 14 14 20 මම ගියාම 4 එක 7යි ආන්ටි. 4 2 ආන්ටි 14යි ආන්ටි. 4 3 ආන්ටි පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. 22යි 21යි. Now what happens? Auntie මල පයින්නවා. Auntie කියනවා ඔබට කවදා ශිෂ්‍යත්ව නම් කරන්න නැහැ පොතේ. ඔබට 7 චක්‍රේ දාම බෑ. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ ගැට් එකකින් යනවා ඉස්කෝලේ. ඉස්කෝලේ ටීචර් කෙනෙක් කරන්නේ ධන ගස්සනවා. චක්‍රේ පොලියමට කියන්න ඕනේ. කියන්න බැරි වෙච්ච ගමන් ධන ගස්සනවා. right? So when I was in grade 5, right? Annotation off කරන්න. Annotation. අර උඩ එකට යන්නකෝ අර කොළ පාටයකට. right. අර තියෙන පැන්සල් එක වගේ item එක. right. බලන්න ඔගේ තියෙනවා මේ මෝ එක කරන මෝ. right. ඔවිනෝ බලන්න disable participle annotation. ඔය ඉතින් disable එක අන්න හරි. එල. දැන් ඔය clear කරන්න. අර දින කුණු බාස්කට් එක ඔය අන්න clear all drawings. එල. දැන් අදපන්කෝ.
Sir,
yes.
Sir, will there be a repeat session for this?
පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නවා සම්මත කරගන්න. Why repeat session?
Will you re-telecast this?
Yeah, there will be VOD. Most probably 2 to 3 days. It will be on the VOD platform. Yeah, the whole of it.
clear with you.
Yeah. Anyway, for all the lessons from today, you will get VOD.
Okay, sir.
So, level in the Princeton ne patan ganna.
Lesson එක දාවම මේ කරන්නේ.
නේද Princeton එකේ class එක level සතියේ පටන් ගන්නවනේ.
Yes, Princeton. Yeah, we will be teleporting to Princeton from next week. Yes.
Okay.
Right. Our. Teleportation of class, this tuition thing to Princeton. I'm going to Siradame, another plan. After we start to teleport, my plan is to do classes from those locations by changing the location. You know, Satyadunak with the Nugegodina. Hatran does Nuridan class second, Aulane, and Nuridan Mehra teleport. Passanida Siana Mother, Gilabut repair Dara, Senior Dara. Aina made that. Aina know that. But at the moment, it's a local senior current bear because we have to still build up what is inside this facility, right? Passe hemiyo karu. Again, overload trip peno kila nemi. Mama trip peno. Overload ekada neyna. Mama atalla ganno overload ekada. Overload ne. Right. Let's get back to this. The upper mama tagani. Madanen. Melo mother again, then the scene. Right angle, triangle, right? Now, look at this idea. Let me call this angle 2A. And let me remind you what is tan 2A. Tan 2A is given by what? 2 tan A over 1 minus tan squared A. One minus tan squared A. 1 minus tan squared A. Yeah, I know there's a lag in the proper video, so I'm going to give you an additional, view from this. Right. So that is tan 2A equals 2 tan A or 1 minus tan squared A. And this is this right angle triangle where this angle is 2A, right? This angle is 2A, right? Now this is what I suggest. What if I make this opposite as 2 tan A and the adjacent to be 1 minus tan squared A. 1 minus tan squared A. Right? That can be done, right? Opposite is 2 tan A, adjacent is 2 tan squared A. Correct? So if someone questions what is sine 2A, or if someone questions what is cos 2A, you could have answered this without any hesitation if you knew what is this. Am I correct? Because you have opposite and the hypotenuse, adjacent and the hypotenuse. We could have done that, right? So shall we try to find this guy? Let me call this L, right? And I'm giving you a small task. Can you find what is L in terms of tan? Find L in terms of tan. Find this L in terms of tan. Right? I'm not going to use voice for this. You know the reason. What? So people, how many new identities you have now? See the sixth kilogram? Because you all have another half angle identity behind this, right? Half angle le kutti na. It's not stuck people. Basically, I have made it stuck, the board. So I think the people who are online and offline, I'm going to assign you the next set of questions now, because now people have requested to finish by 6:30. Right? I can't remember the page number. You had a printed version, right? Yeah, page number is double angle, but the page number 11. In page number 11, right, you can find these questions. All questions are based on double and half angle identity. Right? There are few more variations I want to complete, but I'm not going to complete today. Next week I will assure that these formulas are, on your mind as a feeling rather than an equation, right? Rather than as an memory, right? So. Right, so people, we are going to finish today's class. Now it's 6:30, I guess, and we gave a start around 2:30 something. I can't remember. It's 7, maybe 3. Right, so as per the request of few students, I thought of like finishing the class every Sunday around 6:30. Transportation right? So basically, our 2022 class will be on Sundays, starting after 2 o'clock, finishing before 6:30. Right? So next week we will be continuing with double angle identities. And if you have any question in terms of the lessons, you can put it to the WhatsApp groups, right? Groups on groups on that pen, right? And we'll be continuing trigonometry for another few weeks, right? Okay, online people, you are going to finish it off. Say bye to your friends. Yeah, next week also I need every day. Okay, you can't. Next week is also in Leeds. From next week our classes will be only in Leeds for Colombo. For Kandy it will be in Princeton, right? And we will be having the classes parallel. Madhur also we are starting a class, but I don't have Madhur people here, I guess. Right, but our Kandy students, don't worry. In Princeton now we have made the facility. At the same time, you will have the class, right?